Now next demerit is, in order to fit elements into his table, Newlands adjusted two elements in the same slot, but also put some unlike elements under the same node. What he did, Newlands adjusted two elements in the same slot. In the last class I given the table. In the table, once you have to observe, note that cobalt and nickel are in the same slot. They given the same slot for cobalt and nickel, and these are placed in the same column as fluorine, chlorine and bromine, which have very different properties than these elements. Iron, which resembles cobalt and nickel, is in properties. Only iron resembles the cobalt and nickel properties, but nickel and cobalt, they are kept into the same column. Which column? That is fluorine, chlorine, bromine. They are kept with which column? As a fluorine, chlorine, as a bromine and bromine. So these fluorine, chlorine, bromine, which have very different properties than these elements. Only iron only resembles cobalt and nickel. Iron properties only resembles with properties of cobalt and nickel. So these are far away from these elements. This is the another demerit. Newlands adjusted two elements in the same slot. Once you have to observe cobalt and nickel in the table. Note that cobalt and nickel are in the same slot, and these are placed in the same column of, and these are placed in the same column. These are placed in same column as fluorine, bromine, chlorine and bromine, fluorine, chlorine and bromine, which have very different properties than this element. Which have very different properties than these elements. Iron only, which resembles cobalt and nickel in properties. Iron which resembles cobalt and nickel in properties. Nickel in properties has been placed far away from these elements. Okay, here iron which resembles cobalt and nickel properties, but they are placed far away from these elements. Cobalt and nickel, they are kept into this with same column, that is with fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So these are which have very different properties than these elements. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine properties are completely different with cobalt and nickel. So this is also one of the demerit. And last demerit is totally this Newton's law of octaves worked well with lighter elements only. It is worked well with lighter elements only. Heavier elements it is not suitable. Heavier elements it is not applicable. Okay? Newton's law of octaves worked well with lighter elements only, Okay, so this is a important point. Newton's law of octaves worked well with lighter elements only. So this is about the demerits of the Newton's law of octaves. What are the demerits? It is applicable. First demerit is it is applicable only up to calcium. After the calcium, every ith element did not possess the properties of similar to that the first element. And second demerit is he is assumed by the Newlands only 56 elements existed in the nature, and no more elements would be discovered in the future. But later what happened? Later on, several new elements were discovered whose properties did not fit into the law of octaves. And next to demerit is he fit into the elements in his table. Newton suggested two elements in the same slot. Same slot. Okay. So that elements cobalt and nickel are in the same slot, and these are placed in the same column with fluorine, chlorine and bromine, which have very different properties than these elements. Iron, which resembles cobalt and nickel in properties, but iron placed far away from these elements. And last one is Newton's law of octaves worked well with lighter elements only. It is worked well. Okay, these are the demerits of the Newton's law of octaves. Okay, thank you all of you. In the next class we are discussing about the Mendeleev's periodic table. Okay, thank you.